we guide you through how to connect PayPal to WooCommerce. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard and go to WooCommerce, then click Settings. Next, select the Payments tab and locate PayPal from the list of available payment methods. Click the toggle button to enable PayPal, then select Manage. Enter the email address linked to your PayPal business account and make sure all required fields are completed correctly. If you're using newer PayPal payments plugins, click Connect to PayPal and log in to your PayPal account when prompted. Follow the authorization steps and allow WooCommerce to access your PayPal account. Once connected, review your payment settings, choose your preferred checkout options, and save your changes to make sure everything is working properly. Place a test order on your store and verify the PayPal payment option appears during checkout.